I'm Rich Burns, and I'm district governor for 5610, which is South Dakota, the entire state, Southwest Minnesota, Northeast Nebraska, and Northwestern Iowa. We're about 40 clubs. And the conference itself is where all Rotarians can get together within the district and basically grow, lack of a better way to put it. And we use it to really highlight a lot of the things and recognize what clubs are doing, what members are doing, and the greater good of Rotary. That's really what it's all about. And so, with this year being Create Hope in the World, the one thing I really wanted to do and highlight is to take what is being done from an international scale and bring it home. That is really it. And obviously, we have polio. That's one aspect of creating hope in the world that Rotary has done such an amazing job at. But there's many other things too. And I needed to highlight those. And the best way I could highlight that is having an individual who could come and open the sessions up and be able to start the dialogue, create the image that we wanted to see, and then in turn, keep it fun and keep everybody engaged. And that is why, Jason, I wanted you, because I knew from what I saw in Houston when you came and opened the session up on membership, that you had a bunch of people at 8 o'clock in the morning who were half asleep, totally engaged in your presentation and what you had. And by the time that ended, everybody was still talking about it, I would say the following day, if not the following 2 days. And so that's dynamic. That is what the group needed to hear, was dynamic. And then the second part to that is that you could take a challenging theme. And in Rotary for the afternoon session, where I had you come back and speak again, in the afternoon session, it was really focused more towards the membership of Rotary, the foundation, the public image of Rotary, those things that we do maybe a little bit more locally, but a little bit more traditionally what Rotary is all about. And there, I thought it was fantastic that you started this thing off with privilege, the word privilege. What does privilege really mean? And once again, here's an afternoon session. It's 1 o'clock, okay, in the afternoon. It's the time that everybody had a big lunch. That you would think you would have people once again where you have to work to keep them awake. That absolutely did not happen because you kept everybody engaged. You got them all really paying attention to what being privileged is all about. And comparing that, and you took a powerful theme and made it to where everybody by the end of the day was still thinking about what it means to be privileged and what it means to be in Rotary and why we do what we do, not only locally, but internationally. And the fact that we have these bonds that can be done not only within our own District 5610, but in Australia, in India, in all sorts of other places where Rotary exists and makes impacts. So that's it. That's really why I wanted you, and you hit it out of the park. I mean, you totally did. And so thank you.